Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Brex for faster card approvals, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL, brex.com and hit enter. Once the Brex homepage loads, locate the Get Started button in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Brex. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Brex site and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you will be prompted to provide your company information. Fill in the business name and address accurately. Next, enter the Employer Identification Number, or EIN, for your business. Complete any additional requested details regarding your business structure. Proceed by providing personal information about the business owner. This includes your full name, phone number, and position in the company. After entering all required information, review your details for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click on the Next button to continue. You may be asked to provide financial information related to your company. Fill out sections for monthly revenue and funding details if applicable. Continue through the prompts, ensuring all required fields are completed. At this stage, review Brex's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've agreed to the terms, click on the Submit button. Brex will now process your application for approval. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. You will receive a notification once your application is approved. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.